to a special Picture Book Month episode with me, Miss Sherry. So today we're going to be sharing one of my favorite picture books, and then we'll talk about some different craft and art activities you can do based on the book. So let's jump right in with our story, which is called Stars. And this is a lovely cloudy sky. So this is Stars by Mary Lyn Ray and Marla Frazee. It's a Beach Lane Books, and that's an imprint of Simon & Schuster. A star is how you know it's almost night. Do you guys see the star? Where is it? Over there. As soon as you see one, there's another and another, and the dark that comes doesn't feel so dark. What if you could have a star? They shine like little silver eggs you could gather in a basket. Except, you know you can't. Not really. But you can draw a star on shiny paper and cut around it. You can put it in your pocket. Having a star in your pocket is like having your best rock in your pocket, but different, because a star is different from a rock. Pin a star in your shirt, and you can be a sheriff. Put it on a stick, and you've made a wand. If you hold a wand the right way, you might see a wish come true. Not always, only sometimes. You never know about a wish. You can give a star to a friend, but never give away the one you keep in your pocket. You need to know it is there. Some days you feel shiny as a star. If you've done something important, people may call you a star. But some days, you don't feel shiny. Those days, it's good to reach for the one in your pocket. If you ever lose your star, you can draw another, or you can find one. There are places. Moss, where you might see fairies, is made of green stars. Do you see all the stars around? Very magical. White stars in June grass become strawberries in July. Yellow stars on pumpkin vines become October pumpkins. That's the season we're in now. Snowflakes are stars. Blow a ball of dandelion and you blow 1,000 stars into the sky. Do you guys like to blow dandelions? A button can have a star on it, and if you always brush your teeth, someone might give you a red or green or blue or gold or silver star. There might be a star on the calendar to mark a special day. But stars that come with night, for those, you have to wait for night. You need some dark to see them. It may help to put on pajamas. Then you look up. Almost always you will find one, and another, and another, and another. And if sometimes you can't see them, they're still there. Every night, everywhere. And that was a story of Stars by Mary Lyn Ray. So after reading this book, if you wanted to, you could do some star crafts. So one that I made that was suggested in the book was I made a star wand, or you could call this a shooting star. So this is just made out of paper. This wand portion is actually just rolled up paper, and then I cut out 2 star pieces, and then these are just strips of paper that kind of curled just like this, so you can have a little star wand. Another thing that you can do is you can make a snowflake, which is also a star. So this is really fun because if you've ever, you can take paper, just plain white paper, and then you can fold it up. So if you have a square like this, I pre-folded it, but you can fold it up, and then you can cut all around it, so cut different shapes, and then there are different ways to fold it too. So you can fold it like this, and then you can cut around it, and then you never know what's going to come out until you unfold it, which I think is really fun. So this is one that I cut here. This is just a very simple cut here, and we made a snowflake, a few others. So there's also this one, which looks like this when it's all folded up, but then when you unfold it, you can have a different kind of snowflake. We'll show you one more. So this one looks like this, all folded up. And then I kind of snuck in an almost star design there, but we're gonna unfold it and see what it looks like when it's all unfolded. So this is just a very fun and easy way to make your own snowflakes, and you never know what's going to come out. The other thing that they talked about in the story was taking a star shape, keeping it in your pocket, and you can always write. So I have a little star shape here that I can keep with me, and you can write a wish on it. So you don't have to share it with anyone, but I don't mind sharing it with you guys if you can keep it a secret. So I wish that we all see each other again soon. All right, so that was the story Stars and some star ideas. So have a great day.